Assalamualaikum. Today we explain about our statistic assignment. Our topic is enrollment in special education by grade from 2016 to 2018. Okay, for our objective we have to do descriptive statistics, perform statistic analysis, how to use SPSS, and how to interpret the result from SPSS. So we need to calculate the sample size, construct the distribution table, and present the data using appropriate graph. This task also will use ANOVA and need to compare our calculation between SPSS. For after we have arranged the data, we need to use formula. So the formula is 2k bigger than n. So we have 48 numbers, and then we get the 6th class, and then using the formula class width equal to max entry minus minimum entry. So 503 minus 37 and divide by 6, you will get the 78. Okay, after you have done the calculation, so you need to draw the table frequency, relative frequency, and relative table, and cumulative table. And then after you've done all of the table, you need to draw the histogram chart. Use it, and then when you have done, you need to draw pie chart. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nona Nifa binti Romli. My matric number is A19A0459. So I will present about numerical descriptive measure. In numerical descriptive measure, there are three types of measure, which is measure of central tendency, measure of position, and measure of variance. In measure of central tendency, there are three type, which is mean, median, and mode. In measure of position, we use first quartile, third quartile, and interquartile range. And in measure of measure of variance, we also use range, simple variance, simple standard deviation. So first, for measure of central tendency, our mean was 151.88. Our median was 141.63. Our mode was 136.34. Our measure of position, in our measure of position, our first quartile was 95. Our third quartile was 182.33. So in interquartile range, we have to take third quartile minus first quartile. So 182.33 minus 95 total to 87.33. So in measure of variance, our range was 390. Our simple variance was 6,340.20. So for our sample standard deviation was 79.62.
Hi everyone, I am Sarah N. Luzusami and my metric number is A19A1124. Today I would like to present statistical analysis using software. The measure of central tendencies consists of mean, median, and mode. Based on manual calculation and SPSS output, there is a minor difference in mean, mode, and median. From here we can conclude that manual calculation is almost same as SPSS output. The measure of position consists of first quartile, third quartile, and interquartile range. The minor difference from these quartiles represent that both calculations are same. The measure of variation consists of standard deviation, variance, and range. The range is same for both calculations. There is major difference in variation caused by number of decimal used during manual calculation, and minor difference in standard deviation is due to the result from both calculation is same. Shape of distribution is skewed to the right cause the tail extended to the right. The ANOVA and t-test used to test hypotheses. Both tests having 5 major steps. The first step of both tests is stating the null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. The null hypothesis is the means are same, while the alternate hypothesis is the means are not same. The second step is stating significance level, which is 0.05 for ANOVA and 0.025 for t-test, as the t-test has hit is two-tailed test. In step 3, we compute the t-test and f-test for ANOVA. Then, in fourth step, we decide the decision rule where the significance level is less than 0.05 for ANOVA and 0.025 for t-test. The final step is finalize the decision where we reject the null hypothesis in t-test but fail to reject in ANOVA. There is moderate positive correlation between year 2016 and 2018 and year 2016 and 2017, where the R value is 0.605 and 0.590. The strong positive correlation can be seen between year 2017 and 2018, where the R value is 0.911. The confidence interval is 95% and the significance level is 5%. The confidence interval range from 122.52 to 196.98 for year 2016, 94.95 to 173.30 for year 2017, and 93.65 to 213.36 for year 2018 respectively.
Hi, my name is Nurul Farah Syuhada binti Ahmad. My metric numbers is A19A0729. For theoretical modeling, this is ANOVA table. For dependent variable is education. For predictor is year 2018, year 2016, and year 2017. For coefficient table, our model and B, we focus in model and B. So first constant MB, B is 6.324. For years 2016 is 0.025. For years 2017 is negative 0.033. For years 2018 is 0.017. For dependent variable is education. Y. So y equal to b null plus b1x1 plus b2x2 plus b3x3 plus b4x4 plus error. So as we know, b null, b1, b2 and b3 and b4 is parameter. For x1, x2, x3 and x4 are known as variable. And last, the error term. So for the equation, education equals to 6.324 plus 0.025. For years 2016 minus to 0.033 for years 2017 plus 0.017 for years 2018. So here y can be the number of education by grades. For x1 can be the number of education in years 2016. For x2 education, the number of education in years 2017. And lastly, for x3 can be the number of education in year 2018. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aina Daida binti Abdul Aziz and my metric number is A198025 and I will talk about theoretical modeling. Thus, for every unit increase in the year 2016, education will go up by 0.025, provided in the year 2017 remain unchanged. Similarly, for every unit increase in education, the year of 2017 will drop by negative 0.033, provided education is still of the same year 2016. And also for every unit increase in the year 2018, education will go up by 0.017. Based on the standard beta coefficient, the effect of the year 2018 is 0.403, which is about 0.79 times higher than effect of the year 2017. Meanwhile, the effect of the year 2017 is negative 0.509, which is about 1 time lower than the effect of the year 2016. The p-value for the year 2016 is 0.302, which is more than 0.05. Thus, the year 2016 is a significant predictor of education. The p-value for the year 2017 is 0.451, more than 0.05, and the p-value for the year 2018 is 0.554, also more than 0.05. Hence, the year 2017 and 18 is a significant predictor. The 95% confidence interval for the year 2016 is negative 0.025 and 0.075. The year 2017 is negative 0.125 and 0.059, and meanwhile for the year 2018 is negative 0.044 and 0.078. For these 3 years, the value of 0 falls within the interval, again indicating year 2016, 17, and 18 is not a significant predictor. Last, for the year 2016, 17, and 18, the zero-order correlation value are more than 0.01. However, the partial correlation of the year 2016 and education when controlled for the year effect of the 2017 on education is very high in magnitude. These 3 values indicate the year have effect on education. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, for our conclusion, we use data of enrollment in special education school by grade from year 2016 to 2018. We summarize the data into a frequency distribution as a group data. The type of graph that we use in our report was bar chart and pie chart. In numerical descriptive measure, we use 3 types of measure, which is measure of central tendency, measure of position, and measure of variance. We are required to analyze the data obtained by using SPSS output. The result of interpretation based on measure of ANOVA analysis, confidence interval, and Pearson correlation. For this report, our group applied all of our knowledge about statistics that we learned in our class to this assignment. We also learned about new software, which is IBM SPSS Statistics. We also overcome all the barriers together in order to complete this assignment. We build a great teamwork and have a very good communication in our group. That's all. Thank you.